Well, we can talk while we head out. How about that? We'll let you stand up, we'll let you get your shoes on, and we'll walk you out, and that'll be that, okay? It doesn't have to be this whole big production, right? Every time I've dealt with you, it's been cool. Every time I've seen you, I've never had any issues, right? But you can't sleep here in the bathroom all night, alright? I understand you don't have anywhere to go, but they're saying this isn't the place for that, alright?
Columbus Police Radio, Tech 127.
Hi, this is Carl. Sir, I'm with the Columbus Convention Center. We just have an individual that has been unruly in the building, and we could just use assistance in the south building entrance.
Okay. Have you guys asked him to leave at all?
Yeah, we've been trying to get him to leave, and it's just been a little bit of a pain.
Okay. Is male, white, black, or Hispanic?
Black male, white shirt, black pants.
Okay. Is there any type of weapons or violence at all?
No, he does not.
Okay. What's your phone number?
My phone number is 440.
Okay. We'll have officers up as soon as we can speak with you guys.
All right. Do you know what the ETA might be?
Let me see where you're at on the list. Hopefully it shouldn't be too long. Looks like there's no pending runs ahead of you right now.
All right. Awesome.
All right. Thanks.
Yep. Bye. Yeah, south entrance.
How you guys doing?
Hello.
We got a guy up here. He's refusing to leave. He's up on the second floor. We can take the elevator up.
Okay.
That's 11, I go out. That's 11, go ahead.
What's your deal?
You have a one officer FTO walking in with a rifle.
He's been in here
One
like
officer
a whole
FTO
lot.
111
I'm not sure, but I think they may have a criminal trespass on him. So he just refuses to leave. He's just like, it seems like he's always here. They saw him come in doors out here earlier, and he disappeared, but I found him up here on the, he's in the bathroom up here on the second floor.
Probably sleeps here a time or two, huh?
Hey, bud. Time to go, man. Let's go.
Hey, Vincent. Or Vince. Vince?
See, this is what we get.
Okay.
Hey, boss, let's go. Hey, bud. Let's go, man. It's time to go.
Hey, Vince. You gotta grab your stuff. Do you have anything here, or is it just your shoes? Come on, Vince. You can either stand up or we're going to have to help you, okay? You got to wake up. It's time to wake up.
Let's go, bud. It's time to go, man. Let's go. Bro, we're going to have to pick you up and take you out if you don't leave. I'd rather you just leave.
I've never dealt with him like this. He's always been...
You ready?
Come on.
I ain't ready for nothing, bro. I'm just...
It's time to go,
Okay.
bro.
Yeah, I don't mind being time to go, but look, there's a physicality of a human being.
I understand that, and I'm trying to treat you like a human being.
You're not listening, bro. You're still talking about...
Yeah, I'm going to keep talking.
I don't mind that.
Well, we can talk while we head out. How about that? We'll let you stand up, we'll let you get your shoes on, and we'll walk you out, and that'll be that, okay? It doesn't have to be this whole big production, right? Every time I've dealt with you, it's been cool. Every time I've seen you, I've never had any issues, right? But you can't sleep here in the bathroom all night, all right? I understand you don't have anywhere to go, but they're saying this isn't the place for that, all right? Okay.
Hey, partner, it's time to go. I'm trying to give you a chance to walk out of here like a man. Come on. Hey, watch out, bro.
All right.
Stand up.
Yo, no, man.
Stand up. Let's go.
Bro, get the fuck off me, dude.
Just gotta find her
Get
in
the
the
fuck
left
off me, dude.
one.
Fuck, y'all watching up, dude. No. Get your hands
I can't get the radio. I don't think we have service in here.
Come on, Vince. Put the screw in. Stop. Stop.
168 Rental
Stop.
Convention Center on the second level in the men's restroom. I can't even.
All you have to do is walk the freak out of here.
Back up so somebody don't get on.
That's all you have to do.
So get the fuck up off me, so get the fuck.
We're past that point.
We're past that. All you had to do is stand up.
So let me do that shit. Y'all motherfuckers smelling this shit up out my head. Let me do that shit.
No, we're past that. Yeah, I know. I can't get it.
Look at this shit. He gets
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem.
Fuck up off me. Lady.
I'm on you.
Go meet us back up. There got more people coming in.
So what's
Thank
up
you.
there? Let me get up out this bitch.
We don't have any radio service to even
Look,
call for
man.
anybody.
Really?
Yeah, did
Get
you
up
guys
off my
let them know?
lawn. My dude.
I'm telling you, you're not going to fight us. I'm not
So
fighting you.
What
What are you gonna do?
Up out of here.
Huh? You had that chance.
So what the fuck is you gonna do now then, man?
Vince, quit screwing around. Let's get up and go. Come on.
I know that's what I'm trying to do.
Stand
You're
up.
still tense. What do you mean that's
Why
what
are
you're
you
trying to
tensing
do?
up?
This is what's gonna happen.
Bitch, because I can't
Roll
breathe,
over
bro.
on your belly.
I
Roll
can't
over on your
breathe, bro.
belly.
Bitch, I cannot breathe.
Stop. Stop.
Stop what, bro?
You're resisting every move we
My
make.
hand, bitch. This is not
your back, Vince.
How's that resisting? How the fuck you put my hand behind my back?
Go along with them. That's what you do.
What the fuck is y'all doing?
Knock it off.
I cannot breathe, bitch.
Nobody's laying on you.
I'm not doing shit, bro.
You're on your side and no one's laying on you.
Carrying your own main driver information.
I did not
Officers
do
on
shit,
Air
bitch.
670 westbound.
You got his other hand?
They gave
This
you more
shit
than
is-
enough opportunities to leave. You've been kicked out of here numerous times, but you just keep going back to the same well every time.
Damn, bitch. That bitch just smushed my fucking hand, my fucking foot.
I haven't touched your hand.
Who the fuck is it? Just got off my foot like that. Is it because I'm black, man?
Yeah, that's why. No, that's total change.
Y'all did not even
All you have to do is act like a man and get up and leave. That's all we wanted.
How the fuck was I supposed to get up when y'all
Walk out from
When we
underneath the
asked you
sink and
multiple
leave.
times.
y'all bitches was on my mother.
You laid there and acted disrespectful. All you had to do was leave.
What the fuck was you shouting at, man?
On their way, then they should be here momentarily.
Who the fuck is you shouting at, dog? Y'all motherfuckers is rogue, as your whole operation.
Nope, we just said, like we said, we just wanted you to get up and
Listen,
leave.
lady, I don't give a fuck about
Well,
shit.
we know, that's why we're at
I know
this
you
point.
did because you're not talking. I mean, damn, bitch, you didn't even wait for a nigga to open his eyes and shit.
Yes, I did. You opened your eyes and
No,
looked at
no,
me.
no.
Yes, you did.
No.
I pulled you out from underneath the sink and you
Can I-
crawled right back underneath it.
Can I say
All you had to
something?
do is get up and leave.
I'm only one person, man. It's
Correct. That's why we said just get up and walk
It's
out.
like 5 or 6 of y'all,
There was
man.
me and him, that was it. There was just us two. I've seen you
How many
multiple
people's in here
times.
right now, though?
Yeah, now there's more because you backed it up.
How did I act up and I didn't punch nobody, I didn't spit or anything?
Doesn't matter. You're not supposed to be
Yeah,
here.
I know,
You're
but
here. We
what
asked
are
you to
a
leave.
judge or
So now
something?
we have to make you
Don't
leave.
explain shit to me corny
Okay.
as fuck.
Then don't ask questions.
Like you motherfuckers is like justified and shit. Motherfuckers don't do shit for the reason that y'all
You don't
ain't
own this
shit.
property. They own this
Y'all don't
property.
do shit
Therefore,
for the
they can
reason
say
that
who
y'all ain't
comes
shit.
and who
But what about
goes.
me?
It doesn't matter why.
I'm just one person.
Yeah, and you were supposed to leave. They
Yeah,
asked
I
you to
know.
leave.
Yeah,
You
it's
didn't.
reasonable,
So
but
they
don't
called
try to
us.
force your
We
fucking
asked you to
reasoning
leave.
on me
You
because your ass is
refused.
still
So we had to help you leave. That's how that
lying.
works. We're not going to
Don't
stand
do
here all night and go round and round while we wait for you to
I know,
wake up.
because
We
you're
woke
not
you up. We
doing
gave
shit
you
right
multiple
now.
chances. More chances than we actually
You all
should
are not
have.
doing shit right now.
Yeah, it's a waiting game now.
Man, fuck y'all fake
Depends on
ass.
how enough fingers and toes to come in, how many times I catch you out of here.
Y'all corny as fuck. Hey, bitch, can you get up off my leg?
No.
No.
Shit, you heavy, bitch.
That's
what
fine.
y'all say? Like me? Damn. What do you weigh, like 250 fucking pounds and shit? I thought I got a fat ass lieutenant on my ass.
Thank you. Falling up his face, tensing up, lighter in his hand.
Let's get him out of
Wouldn't
here.
listen to anything. So anyway, we just needed somebody to obviously
Sit up.
I need my house shoes.
stand up. Yep, we'll get him for you. Stand up.
You can't get, that's, you can't go out and they call in again.
Come on, man. Put your shoes on. Let's go.
Yeah, but you said that's what wrong with that. Tell me. She look like she wanted to be
I'm just holding you up because you have handcuffs on and you're a little unsteady on your feet.
Tough and shit. Tough. Strong, man. All that shit.
Sorry. Tight quarters, obviously.
Hey man, can I say something? You didn't get punched either. I mean, but y'all acting like I ain't going to jail in a paddy wagon. Broad ass fucking television. Y'all ain't shit, bro.
You know
Hey, look, can I make like $65,000?
You wanna do a search now?
Like a general manager.
Don't spread your feet. Spread your feet.
Hey, bitch, can you stop kicking me, hoe?
I'm asking you to spread your feet.
Bitch, this is far enough, hoe. That's what I'm saying, bitch. What was that? You heard what the fuck I said, dude. I'm in handcuffs with your whole ass. What the fuck are you trying to say? What was that? What the fuck did you hear, bitch? Fraud. Y'all some haters, y'all some bitches for this shit. Look how many of y'all it is, man. Y'all ain't shit.
That's what happens when you don't have to
Bitch,
stand
shut
up
up,
and walk
bitch.
out the
Don't
door.
talk to me about shit, huh?
All right.
Fuck you, bitch.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, okay. What, bitch? What, I'm still going to jail, ho? With y'all fake lying ass? Bitch, I was sleeping on the bathroom fucking floor, ho. I didn't do shit, bitch. And you being too tough on me, ho. I feel like punching on y'all, bitch. What y'all gonna punch me?
No.
You scared? Okay.
You didn't get punched. You knew you didn't get punched.
Yeah, I know, bitch, because what the fuck? Y'all would have knew it. I would have been in jail or something, right?
Yeah, you'd still be laying on the floor back here.
Hey, I'm sorry for saying I hurt my shit, man. Fuck y'all, man. I'm not sorry for that shit because why would I apologize? I didn't do
Go ahead
shit
and step in there. Watch your head.
but sleep on the bathroom fucking floor, though.
Okay. Well, now we're gonna go in the back of the wagon, so watch your head.
Look, bitch. Hey, can you
All you gotta do is step
can
in
you
there.
take the lead, man? I don't like her taking the lead.
Sir,
bro.
step up on the
She being
step.
too
Watch your head as
aggressive,
you
bro.
get in.
She being too aggressive. I got 2 pairs of pants on. She pushing me and shit. Man.
You need that pair pulled up? Is that what
Yeah,
you
I
need?
do, man. And this bitch is talking to me too strong, bro. That's what I'm saying, bro. She trying to push me, man.
Have a seat here on the left. Right here on the left. Huh? Adam.
Adam H.
Stand up.
God,
Stand
man,
up.
Adam H.
Stand up. Now, leave your hands behind your back. Now you can sit down. If you put them under your seat, I'm just going to have to pick you up again. Put them up. There you go.
Fuck you, man.
Yeah, fuck me.
If you talk too much about all this.
Did I talk too much?
No, I'm saying what you like.
Hey, partner. Sit up for me. So, you were trespassed by the safety director in the convention center, okay? It means you can't come back. If you come back, you're going to get taken to jail. Today, we're going to give you a summons for court. Go to court. If you don't go to court, you'll get a warrant.
For that, like, I've been here.
Huh? 375 South High Street. It says it right on there.
Your date is going to be August 25th. It's next Wednesday, okay? We come tomorrow. It's at 9 a.m.
If you don't go,